Travis Scott doesn't just drop hits, he rides insane motorcycles.
First up, Yamaha YZF-R6. This beast costs around $12,000, a high-performance sport bike known for speed and sharp handling.
Next, Harley-Davidson Iron 883, worth about $13,500. A stylish cruiser with a bold look and powerful street presence.
Here's the crazy one. Ducati Panigale V4. Price? Around $22,000. Built for extreme speed with aggressive racing DNA.
Also in the collection, BMW S1000RR, valued at $20,000 plus. A premium superbike known for precision and insane performance. Finally, Arch Motorcycle KRGT1 costs about $78,000, a luxury custom machine built for elite riders and ultimate performance.